at a time right now when it's so difficult, and the market and the whole industry is changing, I can't recommend this course more to everyone. If you're looking to up your game, become a valuable agent that can earn their commission and show why you're worth the money that you deserve and that you'll make. We've tried other programs, we've gone to different coaching seminars. Everyone has some little nuggets of advice that are good, but Danielle's the best. The real estate prescription will teach you how to build a pipeline that will get you referrals and return customers and really become a go-to agent in your market.
All right, so prior to Deal a Day Pipeline, I was a small business owner who was about to close her business and needed to get into I was going into real estate full-time. I had been an agent for 8 years, but I needed to know the things that I need to do in order to properly prospect, because prior to that, I was helping family and friends on a very limited basis. So I decided to try Deal a Day. I love it because it gave me direction on what I needed to do. The day my store closed and the day I became a full-time realtor, I knew exactly what I needed to do all day in order to be productive and to continue my business. And I even find that other agents, companies just say, oh, go get out there and talk to people, but they don't tell you how and they don't hold you accountable. So that's what I love about Deal a Day.
Hi everybody, my name is Liza Graham. I'm a realtor with Southern Marsh Realty out of Quincy, Michigan. I wanted to just give a quick, honest review of the real estate prescription. When I started looking for a program, a mentorship, I was really struggling with my business. I was feeling kind of like I was floundering around, trying to figure out what I needed to do and what to focus on to bring me the business that I was really looking for. Danielle was able to put together a roadmap, if you will, of items that I needed to focus on every single day. In doing that, I was really able to set a schedule that allowed me to focus on those individual pieces every single day following the same schedule. It helped me to really streamline my process, and it's helping me to grow my business. I have done more business since I joined the program than I had at that point last year. And I've taken on more listings than I had last year. So I am coming up on my second year of selling real estate, and I'm doing very, very well. And I'm doing even better now with the program. I feel like I have direction. I have some more guidance. I'm so incredibly happy that I took the opportunity and took the chance on Danielle and the real estate prescription. And I'm growing my business. I'm happy with where I am, and I am moving into the new year with a whole new mindset shift and excited for what will happen and where I'm prepared to land. I would absolutely look into the real estate prescription with Danielle Makes and see where your business will go.
Hello, it is Tara LeDuc here. I am a licensed real estate professional, aka a realtor in Whitehorse, Yukon, Canada. It is April, and I have been a member of Danielle's coaching Deal a Day program since December, and I only got licensed as a realtor in the very end of October. So I am new. First question, how was I feeling about my business prior to enrollment? I was feeling super overwhelmed. I'm sure others can remember what their first few months or first year in real estate was like. And I realized I needed something to help me learn how to do my job. And I couldn't really be more thankful for Deal a Day coaching, because I am constantly finding leads. Like, it's really shocking. I went from seriously overwhelmed and absolutely lost to less overwhelmed and less lost. I got my very first deal because of following Danielle's advice. I met some people randomly, and their apartment where they lived was being sold out from under them. So I got them to buy a house, their first time homeowners. So that's super exciting. And yeah, I don't know where I would be without this, kind of banging around and doing open houses, but I feel like this has really given me a path and a way to start, and constant leads and constant hope. Maybe that's the most important thing. When I do my tracking, I look at not just what did I just put in, but what is coming. And it gives me a sense of optimism, seeing that I've got stuff lined up for the whole rest of the year into next year. And now I was actually just noticing I've got stuff lined up potentially, right? These are all potential deals, but lined up for several years out. And you know, when things are tough and I feel like I'm never going to make it, this is so hard, it's so competitive, I just lost the deal, blah, 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 I can look at it and say, hey, actually, there's more coming. It's okay that I lost one because there's 5 more on the way. So that's how it's helping. So that's what I have to say about Deal a Day. Overall, by the way, I was a life coach before I became a realtor. And so I know countless coaches in real life and online. And Danielle truly gives more value than any coach I've ever met at this price point. It's really, really affordable for what you get. If you think about it, if you get one deal, it's going to pay for this program. So I think it's a no-brainer. I really do. All right. That's what I have to say.